Hello and welcome to the Biology class 10. Myself Ajay Kumar Mishra. Today I will continue the chapter Life Process, in which I will teach you holozoic nutrition in detail. But before that, I would like to talk about the assignment questions which is given in previous two classes. Dear student, these assignment questions are very important regarding board exams point of view. You must go through these questions. The answers of these questions are already discussed in my previous two classes. So, dear student, you must answer these questions and enjoy. Now let us move to our today's topic, holozoic nutrition. Holozoic is made up of two words, holo and zoic. Holo means whole and zoic means nutrition. It means organisms take whole complex organic food during the nutrition. Holozoic nutrition can be defined as the type of heterotrophic nutrition in which organism takes complex organic food and converts it into simplest form before utilization is called holozoic nutrition. And the organism which shows the holozoic nutrition is called holozoic organism. Dear students, on the basis of the types of food the organism takes, holozoic organisms are of three types. First, herbivores. Herbivores is made up of two Latin words, herba and varet. Herba means plant, varet means to eat. The organism which eats plants or plants products are called herbivores. Example, cow, goat, etc. Carnivores. Carnivores is also made up of two Latin words, carne, which means flesh, varet means to eat. The organism which eat meat or flesh of other animals are called carnivores, like tiger, lion, etc. And third one is omnivores. Omnis means all, varet means to eat. The organisms which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. As for example, human being, crow, pigs, etc. Dear student, in these organisms, holozoic nutrition takes place in 5 stages. Let us study all these 5 stages one by one. First is ingestion. The process of taking in food by organism is called ingestion. Different organisms show different process of taking of food inside their body. Like amoeba takes the food with the help of Ceropodia, Paramecium takes the food with the help of cilia, human being takes the food with the help of hands. Second is digestion. The process of conversion of complex food into simple food with the help of enzyme is called digestion. Third one is absorption. The process of mixing of digested food into the body fluid, that is blood, is called absorption. Fourth one is assimilation. The process of utilization of absorbed food by organism is called assimilation. And the last one is egestion. The process of removal of undigested food from the body is called ejestion. Dear student, now let us study the holozoic nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. It means it is made up of one cell. The body of amoeba is not fixed. It is irregular. On the body surface of amoeba, this finger-like structure is appear and disappear. This is called pseudopodia. Amoeba has one nucleus. Amoeba can take the food from any point of its body surface, from any point of body surface. Whenever any food particle comes near the body of amoeba, the two pseudopodia are formed around these food particles and ultimately get fused together. As a result, food is taken inside the body of amoeba and food vacuole is formed. This is the food vacuole. In the body of amoeba, there is enzyme containing sac-like structure called lysosome, which get fused with the food vacuoles so that digestion process occurs. Now here I want to compare the ingestion process of amoeba with another organism, that is paramecium. Paramecium is also a unicellular organism like amoeba. That is, it is also made up of one cell. But the body of paramecium is fixed, unlike the amoeba. Body of amoeba is irregular, but the body shape of paramecium is fixed. On the body surface of paramecium, you can see this small hair-like structure called cilia. On the surface of paramecium, there are two openings. One is for taking the food inside the body. It is called oral groove or mouth, and other is for removal of waste product from the body. That is called anal pore. Whenever any food particles come near the surface of paramecium, this cilia start beating together and create a water current. And that water current, that water current directed the food particles towards the oral groove, and food is taken inside the body of paramecium. So that is the difference between the ingestion of paramecium and the ingestion of amoeba. Let us move to the another process of nutrition in amoeba, that is digestion. When the lysosome gets fused with the food particle, enzyme present in the lysosome get mixed with the food. As a result, this complex organic food is converted into simplest form. This is called digestion. After that, the digested food is diffused out to the cytoplasm of amoeba and get mixed into it. This is called absorption. After the absorption, the absorbed food is utilized by amoeba for getting energy and for growth and repairing process. This is called assimilation. During this process, some of the undigested food remains left in the vacuole. As a result, this vacuole moves towards the earth's surface and get burst reaching to the earth surface, on the surface of the body. As a result, the waste products, that is the undigested food, is thrown out to the environment. This is called evasion. So this is all about the holozoic nutrition in amoeba. Thank you.